If you're wheezing, don't automatically assume it's asthma. A lot of people hear wheezing and they immediately think it's asthma. And sometimes it is. But wheezing simply means air is moving through narrowed airways. And that narrowing can happen for many reasons. It could be asthma, it could be COPD, it could be allergies or an infection. Sometimes even heart failure can cause wheezing. I've seen patients treated for asthma for many years, only to find out that they had something completely different. That's why the sound alone is not enough. We have to understand when it happens, what triggers it, and what else is going on. If you're wheezing often, your lungs are trying to tell you something, and it is worth listening. If you've been wheezing and don't know why, it's time for you to get checked.